Hey everyone, welcome to the Analytical Coding. In today's video, we are diving into field parameters in Power BI. So, this is a powerful feature that allows us to create dynamic reports by letting our users toggle between different fields, measures, or dimensions. So, let me show you an example so that you will get a clear understanding of what we are going to learn in today's topic. So, here in this column chart, we can see total profit for each region, right? So if we want to see the total sales for each region, we may create the another bar chart and we may assign the total sales and region into that bar chart. But here you can see that we are having total profit in y-axis and region in x-axis. And when I click on total quantity in this slicer, you can see the chart shows total quantity for each region. And when I click on total sales, you can see this is adjusting for total sales by region. So this column chart that can be used to analyze three different types of metrics in a single visual. So now let us understand the topic behind these dynamic reports. That is field parameters. So what are field parameters? Field parameters are essentially a way to allow users to dynamically switch between fields on visuals like charts and tables. So instead of creating multiple visuals for each field or measure, we can use field parameters to toggle between them, reducing clutter and improving user experience. So let us see an example to understand this clearly. Imagine we are analyzing sales data. We might want to give our users the ability to switch between different metrics such as sales, profit, or quantity sold. So, field parameters let you do that on the same chart with just one visual. So, for that, I have created three measures: total profit, total quantity, and total sales, which calculates the sum of profit, sum of quantity, and sum of sales. And now we are going to create a field parameter. So here, firstly, in this bar chart, we are having total quantity by region. So for that, I have taken region on x-axis and total quantity on y-axis. Now, for field parameter, we have to go to the modeling tab, and inside that we are having new parameter option, and when we click on this drop down, we are having two options. So in that, we are going to choose fields option, and whenever we select that fields option, here we have to name this parameter. So here I am going to name this as metrics. And now what are the fields you want into this particular table? So here I am going to use sale table, total profit, total quantity, and total sales. These are the three metrics I wanted to show in my bar chart. Okay. And here I have checked this particular checkbox which says add slices to this page. So whenever I click on create, a slicer will be automatically added to this visual. So let us click on create. Whenever we click on create, so this is the DAX formula that is created in the backend. Okay. And now here the slicer is automatically added to our report page. Now we are having this particular matrix slicer. So the first step is we have created the field parameter, and now the second step is use the field parameter in the visual. So here in this visual we are having this total quantity by region. So in y-axis we are having total quantity. So now instead of total quantity, we are replacing with the parameter, that is metrics, we have created. So remove this. Now drag the newly created field parameter into the values area chart, that is into the y-axis. Okay. Now in this matrix I am selecting total profit. When we select total profit, we are having total profit by region. When we select total quantity, it is showing total quantity by region. And when we select total sales, it is showing the total sales by region. And this column chart is getting adjusted to the whatever metrics we are selecting, right? So now you can see that we can switch between the different fields dynamically on the same visual, right? So that is how we can create dynamic reports with field parameters in Power BI. So this feature allows for a cleaner, more interactive user experience by letting users toggle between fields on the same visual. Don't forget to experiment with it in your own reports. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you.